Google is planning to launch a new beta program for its Wear OS, that is for the Pixel Watch. The program will allow users to test early version of Wear OS 4 on its Pixel Watches. The sign up is similar to be like the one they have for the Android beta program. Users can simply need to click on opt-in button for the Pixel Watch and the OT update will be downloaded in their watch. The Wear OS beta program is expected to launch sometime in fall after the release of Android 14. This is because Wear OS 4 is based on Android 13 and Google typically releases new version of Wear OS after a new version of Android are launched. The Wear OS beta program will give users a chance to test early versions of Wear OS 4 and provide feedback to Google. The feedback will help Google to improve Wear OS 4 before it is released to the public. Some new features expected are faster and more reliable text-to-speech experience, ability to transfer data and settings between watches, longer battery life, new watch face format, and other power optimization.